Today, I am going to explain in a very unique way to taper down the diabetic medications, insulin as well as tablets. In my health supplement as well as diet protocol, the endocrine gland of the pancreas. See, actually, pancreas having two roles. One is exocrine, another one is endocrine. Exocrine functions are releasing of lipase and amylase. Endocrine functions of beta cells function is to release insulin. In the current medical science, once the organ get dysfunctions, one has to be with the insulin or tablets lifetime. Secondly, in exocrine gland, once lipase and amylase get disturbed, there is no signs and he has to die slowly. He knows that I am going to die. In my Neo-Ayurveda miracle drinks principle, you cannot imagine. In 15 days, if the person who is having pancreatitis problem, you will see the sea changes. In 1 month, 15 days to 1 month, all the parameters of lipase and amylase will get normalized. Such a powerful way the food is working. And my miracle drinks, health supplements, which may be acting like a prebiotics or which may nourish us that particular cells, that God only knows. Whatever I speak, everything on evidence based. Endocrine part, now I am going to explain. In the current medical science, once beta cells get dysfunction, lifetime they have to take the these medications, particularly insulin or tablets or both. Here, firstly, I am advocating to avoid statins, blood thinners and gastric tablets from the day one, stating that raw vegetable juice, banana stem juice and my supplements automatically nourishes that deprived cells. And in this system, the day one person will get sleep. Day one, I am telling you, those who have even lost sleep for more than 19 years, whatever I am saying, the experience from the patients. And secondly, day 3, they have to taper down 50% of the evening dosage of insulin. Now I am talking about only insulin part. The patients who are having both insulin as well as the tablets, the day 1, I am advocating not to take statins, blood thinners and gastric tablets. Day 3, I am advocating that 50% of the evening insulin has to drop. Otherwise, you may suffer into hypoglycemia. Sometime glucose level will comes down to 50 to 60. 4th day, morning 3 minutes, afternoon 3 units, evening 3 units. That is the 4th day. And thereafter, weekly, morning 3 units, afternoon 3 minutes, evening 3 units. Otherwise, according to the glucose level, further they have to slash down. Such a way, your body's inbuilt system will work. Because we have totally lost our faith on our body and our internal organs' power. The only thing is we have to nourish it. Many times I am telling you, those who are suffering from diabetes for the last 8 years without having any medications, only on lifestyle they are managing. Thereafter, when I have seen their body weight comes down, and secondly, high blurring started, thoroughly. They have started his frozen shoulder, some neuropathy and all. Then they came to me and they have got that time the HbA1c 9 plus 9.4 or so, average sugar level 236, and the fasting 236/40, post is 266. In 1 month, with our diet protocol with supplements, HbA1c reduced to 5, average is 96 point something 5. Like that, pancreas will start functioning. There is a particularly beta cells. So that is the power of your body and the power of food. Food is really the medicine. Thank you.